Today I'm going to check something interesting, because looking at the compass, see what happens when I'm getting closer. This is iron underneath as well. Yeah, distortion. If I do a test with a magnetometer, you see here with my magnetometer, it's actually even 55, 56 up here. And going further down, yeah, it's about 65, 66 microTesla when I get directly on it. Yeah, 70 here, because it's more of an iron structure underneath. Everything is okay now. I'm going to put it up here, up on top of the metal structures. I actually found out the other night that I got an error message regarding compass, and no surprise, there's a lot of iron here. But I do not get this on daytime. Please disregard the fact on where I'm putting it, because I just tested it to see the settings during night. Let's see how it does at night. As you see, it's a bit too dark outside to do any filming of the drone itself, so I rather just show the screen recordings. Now with sufficient satellites, let's put it up on the railing. And quite soon, I get compass calibration required. Not really surprised, but I can't really understand why I don't get it during daytime. Moving away from the railing, the error message disappears, as it should. It is clear that it's a magnetic field here that creates distortion to the compass. And my question is, why don't I get this message during daytime? Because I guess that this will impact how the drone behaves if you take off where the drone doesn't have a proper compass reading.